The 0.20 release of the Cake.Recipe extension for Visual Studio Code actually didn't provide much in the way of functionality or new functionality. As we can see here from the release notes, there was only one new feature or one new issue added as part of this release, and that was to no longer pin to a specific version of Cake.Recipe when it actually generates the build script for you. So in the first version, we were pinning to a specific unstable version of 0.403, and going forward, the decision was made to not pin to a specific version, but rather just bring with it the latest of the pre-release version. Now, that is not how you would typically want to run your build script in production. When you're actually using it, you want to pin to a specific version, but because that version changes quite a lot over time, it's up to the end user to really pin to the version they want to use. So that was it. There was no real, like I said, there was no real functionality added within this release, but it was just something that needed to get done. So stay tuned for future videos with new functionality that's getting added to this extension. Thank you very much.